So in one of our previous videos on cleaning up the barn and getting ready for lambing, we had started taking apart this old pig house. Today we're going to go ahead and, hang on, don't lick the camera. Today we're going to go ahead and take apart this pig house. The rest of the way, this was a pig house I'd made to winter and colder weather here in the barn. I had a roof on it that we would put straw on to make a roof up over just some old pallets and some other junk. So we're just going to continue taking it apart.